how to turn off your iPhone 8 Plus without using the power button. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Then tap General. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Tap Shutdown. You'll now see the Slide to Power Off slider appear on the screen. Simply swipe the power icon from left to right.
Wait a few seconds until the screen turns completely black. This means your iPhone has powered off successfully. To turn your iPhone back on, you'll need to use the side button. Press and hold it until the Apple logo appears. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off your iPhone 8 Plus without using the power button. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.